Morning everyone, my name is Twinkle Parik. I am from Index Nursing College and today's my topic is tuberculosis. Introduction. What is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is an infectious disease which spread from one person to another person. It spreads by inhaling tiny droplets of saliva from the coughing or sneezing of an affected person. It is a slowly spreading chronic granulomatous bacterial infection characterized by granular weight loss. ट्यूबरक्लोसिस एक कम्युनिकेबल डिसऑर्डर है जो कि अफेक्टेड पर्सन की जो भी ड्रॉपलेट्स इन्फेक्शन से फैलता है, सलाइवा, कफिंग, स्नीजिंग, कोई भी अफेक्टेड पर्सन की अगर कोई नॉर्मल पर्सन उसको इनहेल करता है या उसके कांटेक्ट में आता है तो उससे फैलने के चांसेस होते हैं. व्हाट आर द डेफिनेशन? Tuberculosis is an infectious disease that is primarily affects the lungs parenchyma. It may also be transmitted to other part of the body, including the meninges, kidney, bones, and lymph nodes. The primary infection agent is M. tuberculosis. जो ट्यूबरक्लोसिस होती है वो एक इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज़ होती है जो कि लंग के पैरेन्काइमा को सबसे पहले अफेक्ट करती है, जो कि ट्रांसमिट होती है अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स में भी, जैसे कि ब्रेन में, मेनिंजेस लेयर में, किडनी में, बोन्स में, यहाँ तक कि लिम्फ नोड्स तक के. और जो मेन कॉज होता है, जो एजेंट होता है ट्यूबरक्लोसिस का, वो होता है एम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. इट इज़ क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड विथ पॉवर्टी, माल न्यूट्रिशन, ओवर क्राउडेड, substandard housing and inadequate health care. According to WHO, an initiated 1.6 million deaths result from the TB in 2005. What are the risk factors for tuberculosis? Person having TB to other person by airborne transmission through talking, coughing, sneezing, laughing or singing. Immunocompromised patient, example, those with HIV infection, cancer and prolonged high dose corticosteroids therapy. अब अगर पेशेंट का इम्यून सिस्टम वीक है, इम्यून सप्रेस पेशेंट है, तो उसको टीबी होने के चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं. पुअर सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, substance abuse, IV infection, drug uses and alcoholism are the major source risk factor. Any person without adequate health care, the homeless, children under age of 15 and young adults between age 15 and 44 years. Pre-existing medical conditions like example diabetes, malnourishment, hemodialysis, living in overcrowded area. Sites of TB आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, like brain, larynx, lymph node, bone, pleura, lung, spine and kidney. TB transmission. TB is spread person to person through the air by droplet nuclei. M. tuberculosis may be expelled when an infectious person coughs, sneezes, speaks or sings. Transmission occurs when other person inhale droplet nuclei, as we discussed in risk factor and our definition. Next is pathophysiology. TB begins when a person inhales M. tuberculosis and become infected. The bacteria are transmitted through the airway to the alveoli where they multiply. The bacilli are transported to different part of body through blood. The body immune system responds by initiating an inflammatory reaction. Phagocytosis, neutrophils and macrophiles engulfed by bacteria and TB specific lymph nodes destroy the bacilli and normal tissues. The tissue reaction result in the accumulation of exudate in the alveoli causing bronchopneumonia. Granulomas, new tissue mass of leaf and death. Dead bacilli are supported by macrophages. They are transferred to fibrous tissues mass. The central portion is called gone tubercles. Gone tubercles ulcerates related to paternal into bronchi. Last is initiation of TB. What are the clinical manifestations for tuberculosis? Low grade fever, cough, night sweats, fatigue, and weight loss. Cough may be non-productive or mucopurulent. Sputum may be expectorated. Hemoptysis may occur. Shortness of breath and fatigue. There is symptoms in this shown in this image. Assessment and diagnostic findings. Complete history, physical examination, tuberculin skin test, sputum culture, evaluating breath sound, diminished crackle, etc. Chest x-ray, X-ray spine, routine investigation, biopsy. If we see any such sign and symptoms in our patient, so we can suggest them for complete history. By nurses, we can collect their complete history, their personal history, present history, past history, or their family history, their current environment, economical status, their housing facilities. We can get in our their patient history. Physical examination. By physical examination, we can detect or we can search if patient having this condition, tuberculosis. There is chest x-ray of patient who have tuberculosis. Culture image. Tuberculin skin test. The Montauk's method is used to determine whether a person have been infected with the TB bacillus. Tuberculosis bacillus exact tuberculin purified protein derivative is infected into the intradermal layer of the inner aspect of forearm, approximately 4 inches below the elbow. 26 or 27 gauge needle is used. The needle is beneath the skin. The 0.1 ml of PPD is infected, created an evaluation in the skin. The site, the agent name, date and time are recorded. Test is read 48 to 72 hours after infection. A reaction occurs when both induration and erythema are present. The size of the induration determines the significance of the reaction. A reaction of 0 to 4 mm is considered not significant. A reaction of 5 mm or greater may be significant in people who are considered to be a risk. Medical management. Pulmonary tuberculosis is treated with anti-tuberculosis agents for 6 to 12 months. A prolonged treatment duration is necessary to ensure eradication of the organisms and to prevent relapse. Vaccine. BCG, Bacilli calmette guerin, is given to infants for protection against tuberculosis. Isolation of the patient. RNTCP, Revised National TB Control Program. The initial objective of RNTCP in India were to achieve and maintain a TB treatment success rate of at least 85% among new spectrum positive patients, to achieve and maintain detection of at least 70% of the intimated new sputum positive people in the community. Pharmacological management. TB drug bedaquiline. Bedaquiline is the active substance in the new TB drug. Ceritorro is available for the treatment of drug-resistant TB when there are an insufficient number of other TB drugs available. Next is the nitromidazoles. The nitromidazoles are an existing class of drug known to have antimicrobial activity. TB drug Pretomanid PA824. PA824 is another nitro-midazole oxidol currently being developed by the TB Alliance. It also can potentially be used for the treatment of both drug sensitive and drug resistant TB, and it has also shown active against both latent and active TB. Next is the fluoroquinolones. Several membranes of fluoroquinones class of drugs are currently already used as second line TB drugs for the treatment of multi-drug resistant TB. The rifampicin are protein inhibitors of mycobacterial activity. Three semi-synthetic rifampicin, rifampicin, and rifabutin have been used for the treatment of various microbial infections. Rifampicin is a key component of first-line drugs treatment for TB. There's other drugs. Rifampicin RMP is a powerful bacterial drug, is equally effective against intracellular as well as extracellular bacteria. Isoniazid INH rank among the most powerful drug in the treatment of tuberculosis. It can easily penetrate the cell's membrane and is thus active against intracellular and extracellular bacilli. Its action is most remarkable on rapidly multiplying bacilli. Next is streptomycin. It is a bactericidal. It acts entirely on rapidly multiplying bacilli. It has been shown that when bacilli are multiplying bacilli. Next is ethambutol. Ethambutol is bacteriostatic and is used in combination to prevent the emergence of resistance to other drugs. It is given orally. Ethanomide, it is structurally related to INH and acts by inhibiting the growth of intracellular and extracellular organisms. Pharmacological management. The current TB 4-line medications are used: INH, rifampicin, paranizide, and ethambutol. Combination of medications such as INH and rifampicin or INH paranizide and rifampicin are available to help improve patient adherence. Ethanoamides, para-aminosalicylate, sodium, and cycloserine are second-line medications. The conditions regimen lasts for an additional 4 or 7 months. What is DOT? DOTS, directly observed treatment short course. DOTS means that a trained healthcare worker or other designated individual provides the described TB drugs and watch the patient swallow every dose. डॉट्स जो होता है ये टीबी का पूरा जो कोर्स डॉक्टर के थ्रू प्रिस्क्राइब किया जाता है, बट इसमें पेशेंट के जो प्रिस्क्राइब डॉक्टर या कोई भी प्रोफेशनल हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल के सामने ये जो पेशेंट होता है उसको उसका डोज डेली स्वेलो करना होता है, ताकि हम श्योरिटी हमें इससे इंश्योरिटी मिलती है कि पेशेंट अपना डेली डोज टाइम से ले रहे हैं, सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. नर्सिंग डायग्नोसिस: ineffective breathing pattern, dyspnea related to decreased lung capacity. Second, imbalanced nutrition less than body requirement related to chronic poor appetite, fatigue and productive cough. Next, ineffective health maintenance related to lack of knowledge about the disease process and therapeutic regimen. Next is activity intolerance related to fatigue, decreased nutrition status and chronic febrile episodes. Nursing interventions: assist lung sound, respiratory rate and effort. Second, observe skin and mucous membrane for cyanosis. Next is assess degree of dyspnea. Next is monitor arterial blood gas values and pulse oximetry as ordered. Next is provide Fowler's position. Next is administer supplemental oxygen as per patient needs. Next is teach relaxation techniques such as deep breathing and cupping exercise. Next is change the patient position every 2 hourly. Next is teach to cover the mouth and nose with double covered tissue paper or handkerchief during coughing or sneezing to avoid spreading of disease condition. Next is teach them to stay in well ventilated room. Teach about the importance of nutritious diet, weight monitoring and vitamin supplements as advised. Next is teach the importance of taking the prescribed medication to the patient. What are the complications in TB patient? Pulmonary TB can cause permanent lung damage if not treated early. Medicines used to treat TB may cause side effects include liver problems. Other side effects are change in vision, orange or brown colored urine. Last is conclusion. TB is communicable disease which spreads from one person to another. The precaution like isolating TB cases, wearing a mask, taking good nutrition, taking BCG vaccine, TB can be prevented. This is my reference, book reference. Thank you.